So I put these fucking turds on them 35s not that long ago. Put on the truck, leveled the truck out for the most part. And my plans were to drop the back down and just do no blocks. Just leave the outer leaf with the leaf springs. But then somebody offered me enough money to make a profit off of these rims. So I think I'll be making about $400, some of that. And I still haven't even sold the street tires yet, so but I think I'm going to sell one in a little, or them or one, I don't know. Dude's kind of weird, but so I'm making about $400 or $500 off of these, minus or plus whatever I make off the street tires, so that'd be nice. So I'm putting the fucking shitters back on, so I gotta get the fucking adapters and all that dumbass shit out. But gotta make sure you hydrate. About 80 degrees. Feels fucking amazing, but still gotta hydrate. So this is what it looks like. Looks absolutely fucking stupid because it's big ass fucking lift in the back. No tire, just fucking rubber band. But selling them for $3K. Got about 24, 25, 26 in them, something like that. If I include mountain balance and all that, but I'm not really worried about including that. So yeah, I guess it's all right. They're not in the bestest of shape, like on the back, but the fronts are clean, no cracks, bends, wells, nothing like that. So I think it's all right deal on my end.
Dude, pictures don't do fucking justice to this fucking tank.
Carter
Dude, his angles are better than yours.
Really
That's
are.
terrible.
With Bilsteins in the front.
They really are.
Get rid of the fucking toe mirrors.
And
Please back in front of
needs
that truck.
chrome handles.
Back up in front of that truck.
Dude, that thing is fucking clean though. But
No,
the
it really
body's all
is.
fucking beat up though.
I only saw that one dent.
For Carter, it's nice.
Bingo. I mean, at least you got something big to do. Loud and then
Let's go sell some LTZs.
no,
Lawrence.
fuck you. Shut
Oh,
up.
nice
Stupid.
ranch,
Stupid.
fucking
Stupid.
loser.
Stupid.
God.
Hey,
God.
show the YouTube, bitch.
He's not gonna tag you.
This is a King Ranch, but it's a fake King Ranch.
That's a king ranch. That's a real king ranch.
This is a real King Ranch.
Look at my wallet, so we're gonna get auto pods. Don't smoke, kids.
All he did to it since he bought it was tint it and put SSRs. It's a 15 or 16.
Stupid.
Got the fucking steps. Hey, Keegan, what this is, a 15?
Yeah.
Big claps.
Yeah, big 14, man.
Amp steps.
I can't.
Bubba.
Bought, not built.
So what do you know about the truck? You tell me, man. I know some stuff about it, but you tell me.
I don't know. I bought it. I didn't build it. I mean, it's just big. 10 and 12 Cognito on 40s on 26s. It's 15 by 50s tars, something like that. I think I got another one. You stack the level one. Sitting at like 14 in the front, 12 in the back. Rock lights all around. Amp steps. Long tubes. It's dirty as fuck. Got a few minor. I got a big, yeah, because I got a big dick. I mean, I have to compensate, I mean. Basic.
Shut up.
You know, I had to be at high school. I had to act like I was in high school. Oh, at least Tristan had to act like he was in high school. Had read it everywhere.
Yeah, I'm not too sure about the read.
Hey, you fucking pussy.
Yeah.
Fucking shitting all over my shit.
Clean truck. Me and him was just talking. Needs to do chrome air caps, chrome handles, actual chrome Denali grill, factory fog lights, and clear headlights. They look about 10 times better, and then get some chrome rims, because chrome gets you dome, black gets you nothing.
I'm sure there's a better way to word that.
But like you said, 26 by 14s or 40, 15 50s. He's got the 10 to 12 struts, set at 12.
Cognito uppers.
Rough country level.
Kryptonite, fucking tie rods.
The whole front end's brand new, basically. When they did the lift, rear end has got the big lift leaf springs with a block, polished drive shaft. Where it used to be polished, it's kind of dirty now.
Yeah, it's
but
dirty.
it's pretty clean. Big donkey dick tip on the back. Bill steams all around. It sounds pretty good too.
Yeah.
I'll let him start it. She's pretty loud. You're a fucking faggot. Couple little things here and there. The bitch will look way better. Nothing against old Hunter, but chrome would have looked way better than black.